This is Nat from Artnovion. In this video we're going to be demonstrating how to install double-sized panels using our FixArt Tube. So in this video we're going to be installing this beautiful wooden Sahara panel. This panel is designed to be used horizontally on walls. So we're going to be installing this panel using our FixArt Tube metal system. So as always, we should start off by marking off the outline of the panel on the wall. So we'll do that using one of our templates, which is just the right size for a panel. So we hold this where we need it to go on the wall. Line that up. And here we need to mark off the corners of each panel. Seeing as this double-sized panel is equivalent to 2 single panels, what we have to do is this. Of course, for larger installs, we'd always recommend using a laser level around the room and then measuring up and down from the centre line of that laser level. Otherwise, it's easy to measure out with a tape measure where the panel needs to go. So what we're going to do next is hold the template. So this template is supplied with the FixArt Tube system. We're going to be using the wall template side, and we're going to be marking off in the A and B holes. So to start off, on the left-hand side, where the tube's going to go, you hold the template against the marked off outline of the panel, and we're going to mark on holes A1 and B2, which is the central hole. So A1, B2. Then we're going to move the template across, as so the B1 hole lines up with the mark we did at B2. And then we're going to mark off at A2. So this is very similar to how we mark out the tube for the single-sized panels, except we can save the clip by putting a central clip here in the tube. So we're going to repeat the same for the bottom. So again, we turn the template round, so the guide always faces outwards. Line it up with what we marked here. So A2, B1, which is the central hole. Move the template across, lining up B2 with B1. Yeah, we don't need to mark that. And then at the end here, A1. Okay? So we have our 6 points marked off on the wall. In each one of these points, we're going to put a clip. Whenever possible, we try and recommend using double-sized panels because it saves a lot on install time and the number of holes you have to put in the wall. At the end of the day, there's less joins in the whole job, so it looks better. So, put the remaining clips in. What we're basically doing is drawing 2 lines along the wall, 2 clips along the line. Oops. Remaining 2. It's good to be as precise as possible here, but it isn't essential, because if the clips are further left or right along the tube, it doesn't really matter. And the adjuster pieces on the tube itself has a very large amount of variation, about 3 centimetres up and down. And the last one. Okay. So we're going to be demonstrating this using our FixArt Tube metal, which is this. We also have a plastic version of this tube, which has an identical installation procedure. The only difference is the plastic is slightly cheaper, but it has to be cut down sometimes on site. So using the metal version, all we have to do is align it more or less with the clips on the wall, and clip it in. And then for the bottom, so this is the same installation procedure as if we were using, say, 2 single-sized panels on board instead of the double-sized panel. So the panel itself, seeing as this is it's supported below, this is going to be essentially the bottom row of our column. It means that we have to install this in a certain way. So the bottom row of clips here are going to be what we call in the fixed position, whilst the top row of clips are in the adjustable position. All this means is the clips along this top row have have a degree of adjustment on, with about 3 centimeters up and down movement on these clips, whilst the ones on the bottom row are going to be in a fixed position. So how does this differ in installation? For the fixed position, we have the clip. We put the adjuster piece on the clip, just slide that in, and then the threaded bar goes into the clip itself. So for that, then for the power tools here, doesn't need to be extremely tight. Then this screws clockwise into the screw thread receiver on the bottom of the panel. Like that. In the top, we're going to have one in the adjustable position. So we're going to put the adjuster piece with an M6 screw into the screw thread receiver on the top of the panel. So this can be done with a screwdriver or a drill. Quickly with the drill here. Okay. Doesn't need to be too tight. Then we're just going to slot it into this adjuster piece, like so. Okay. So one row fixed, one row adjustable. So now we're going to install the panel. So we're going to line up the fixed clips on the bottom with the bottom tube. So it's good to align them more or less where the panel position is, just to make things easier for ourselves. So that's lined up. Clip in the center first. There we go. Then one corner. Okay. Final corner. What we need to do is to apply gentle pressure to the front of the panel. Then let's have a look at the top row. That seems to be more or less okay. So in, then center, and the remaining corner. Great. So check the position of the panel. It's a little bit to the left. So what you need to do is tap it a bit right. There we go. Perfect. So for more information on our FixArt Tube systems, technical information, installation guides, just check out our website for more information.